The carton size of this candle Christmas tree in this candle containers, yeah, it will have put more pieces of this candle Christmas tree. Yeah, for this candle garland Christmas tree, I think for the Christmas decoration you can put it into your yard or the party. I think if you add chosen lights, it will be very beautiful. The warm white lights, colorful lights, we also can customize for it. Yeah, besides this candle PE materials, we also can have any other PE material. Let's say the another one. See, that's this one.
Yeah. This one, maybe is the also is the 4P, right?
Yeah, it is a 5 branches PE. You can see candy.
Yeah. 5 branch.
Yeah, it is a 5 branches PE. Just the candy side. It is all of the PE, right? It is made by all of the PE materials.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is made by our PE materials. And it is a single side 5 branches PE. And you can see this candle Christmas tree is also do the high Christmas tree.
Yeah, maybe the.
Yeah, I have introduced this candle Christmas tree just now. So for this candle Christmas tree, you also don't worry about the opening time of it, right? And you can see our effort of our single side 5 branches PE. And now let's make candy to introduce the specification of this candle Christmas tree. The height of this candle Christmas tree is
The size is the 7 feet.
Yeah,
7 feet, and maybe the total number of the branch is 870 feet. And if you want to know about the packet size, I also can introduce it for you. Maybe the packet size is 118 centimeter in length and 22 centimeter in width, and the 23 centimeter in length. Height. If we want to know this about this Christmas tree size, I can see it for you. The PE Christmas tree is the huge Christmas tree. The huge Christmas tree is very easily to install. You can look this. The branch is fixed on the trunk, but it can be moved.
it can be
And
moved.
it can be after it be moved, and then we.
In the candy's hand, you will see this is our hand Christmas tree branches. You will see
They will
it is
automatically
fixed by
fall
the
down.
screws. You can see, so stable, right? So for this candle Christmas tree, when you open it can look like this. It can
Automatically fall down.
Drop into the right place. So this is the detailed information of this candle Christmas tree. We also can customize the different materials of this candle Christmas tree. If we change the materials, PE materials, I think it will have the different overall effort, right?
Yeah, right. And we also can choose mix the other material.
We also can stick the snow powder in this candle Christmas tree. Let's see this one. This one is to stick the white powder, or you can call it the snow powder in this candle PE materials. You can see this is the 3 branches PE, and in every PE materials we stick our white powder. So when you see this kind of Christmas tree, it looks like the snow drop into our PE materials, right?
Yeah, right. And maybe our pin coin also have the craft. It also have the snow white.
It also stick our white powder. Besides those two materials, we look at this one. This is our PVC materials.
Yeah, pointed PVC, and this leaves also have white, and it's made by our worker. Yeah.
Yeah, made by our workers' hands. You can see the snow tips. It looks more steady, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we also have another one snow tips. It is made by our machine. It is another of our efforts. Later, I will introduce this kind of snow tips for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, for this kind of Christmas tree, you also can see it is made by the PE materials, the 3 branches PE materials, the PVC materials with the snow tips, and we also add add our pin cones. And now you can see the overall effort of this kind of Christmas tree. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe the PE Christmas makes the Christmas tree. Yeah. Makes the Christmas tree size is 7.5 feet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And maybe the total number is 94 tips, and also we also can to accept the customization.
Yeah. My partner can do a little actions, right? Yeah, this is our beautiful Christmas tree, and you can see the more details about it. And you can see this one is our Christmas tree card. In this part, it will have the more detailed information of it. For this kind of Christmas tree, it's also a hand Christmas tree. Yeah. Many of our symbol production we do is the high Christmas tree. Yeah, because it can save the time of opening our Christmas tree. Yeah. You can see this Christmas tree. You can see the overall effort of this kind of Christmas tree. Yeah. Besides this candle PE materials, we also have another one, and see another different PE materials. See this one. You can see this is the different overall effort Christmas tree. You can see it is also made by our PE materials and PVC materials. But the color is different. You can memorize. I introduced the PE materials just now. It is a deep green, but this one is a blue. It is a the light green, right? Yeah, looks like the tree in the olive green. You can see. This one is our 5 branches PE, the light green 5 branches PE, also the double side, right? Besides these PE materials, we can see in the angle of this kind of Christmas tree, they also have the PVC materials. Yeah, this one PVC materials is also the processing technology is the conventional tips, or you call it the regular tips. You can see this one, the PVC materials is also the light green, right? Yeah, and the size of this candle PVC materials, it has 6 centimeters, and the thickness of it is 0.1 centimeters. Yeah, you can see the overall effort. This kind of Christmas tree is mixed by our 5 double-sided branches PE and mixed by the PVC materials.
Yeah. Maybe if you want to put many Christmas decoration, we also can offer them for. We also can offer them for our friends. Yeah. Such as the pink cone, red berries, and maybe many Christmas decoration. Yeah. Okay, now let me to introduce this Christmas tree. Yeah, the Christmas tree size is 7.5 feet, and the total number of the branch is 1023 tips. Yeah. If we want to know about PVCs, English, and Bestway. I also can to show this for you. The PVC's width is 6 centimeter and the 0.1 millimeter. Yeah, thickness is 0.1 millimeter. Maybe we also can make another size, yeah, such as the 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, maybe and so on in the length. And also we can make the 0.07 millimeter, 0.1 millimeter, and maybe the 0.12 millimeter. This three cant is the regular choice. Yeah. If you want to another cant, you can contact us, and we will offer the more detailed information for you. Yeah. After I introduce the basic information about the PE Christmas tree, I can show you the package size of the Christmas tree. Yeah, the package size Christmas tree maybe is the 118 centimeter in length and 28 centimeter in width, and the 30 centimeter in height. After we